Leads, leads, leads. Not just traffic, not just clicks, but leads.
AI List Titan is here!
You already know where the money is. It's in the list. Because once you have a list of people who want to buy, everything else becomes much, much easier. Email starts working, offers start converting. And for the first time, you're not opening up your Warrior Plus account with zero sales. And what if the reason that you're not making money online has nothing to do with your effort, nothing to do with your strategy, and everything to do with one simple problem? You don't have any buyers. Not the traffic, not the clicks, not people who might be interested someday, real buyers. Now, here's the part that most people don't want to admit. They know this, but they can't build it. Not fast enough anyway, not consistently, and definitely not with buyers. And that's exactly what AI List Titan solves. Because instead of telling you to go build a list, we give you one. A list full of high intent buyers being added to your account starting today, right away. And it's one of the cleanest shortcuts that I've seen to fixing the one problem that stops everything else from working. Guaranteed quality buyers. How different would things look if instead of trying to get leads, leads were already being added to your list? People already interested, already engaging, already ready to buy. That's where this gets interesting. That's what AI List Titan does. It removes the hardest part of this online business and gives it to you up front. So instead of trying to build momentum, you just step right into it. Now listen, if we haven't met before, my name's Harris Fellman. Between myself and my partner Paul Counts, we've spent decades solving one problem, and that's turning attention into buyers, not clicks, not just traffic spikes, buyers. And what we kept seeing over and over and over again was people stuck in the same loop, learning, trying, testing, buying traffic, but never getting the one thing that actually moves the needle. And that's consistent, high intent leads added to their lists. So what we did was we built something totally different, not another course, not more theory, a working system where you start with leads, plug them into a proven funnel, and follow a clear path to monetization. Because once you have buyers, everything changes. Your emails start working, your offers start converting, your confidence goes up because now you're actually in the game. And here's exactly how simple this is. Step 1, choose your lead package below. Step 2, plug into one of the done-for-you funnels that we give you. Step 3, use proven email swipes that we give you. Step 4, start sending and start earning. That's pretty much it. No tech headaches, no months of setup, no guesswork. Everything is already built, everything's already structured, everything's already designed to convert. Now, let's talk about what you're actually getting here, okay? You're getting guaranteed high intent leads added to your list. Real people, already engaging, already interested in buying. You're getting a done-for-you funnel system with products, pages, emails, upsells, everything included. You're getting proven messaging that's already converting, and you're getting a system that's designed to turn attention into sales. Now imagine logging into Warrior Plus and instead of 000, you see sales, sales, sales coming in. Not because you got lucky, but because you finally have buyers on your list. This isn't how this industry usually works. Normally, you build the list first, then hope it converts. Here, you start with high intent buyers on your list first. And to make this even easier for you, you're also getting exclusive bonuses designed to boost your results, like the high converting email swipe package so that you know exactly what to send from day one. You're also getting an AI prompt package for faster monetization. This will allow AI to help you create content, emails, and offers that convert. You're going to get traffic and conversion boost resources designed to get you faster results without guesswork. And now these aren't extras, okay? They're here to help you get results quicker. These are only available during this launch window, and once this closes, lead access tightens, pricing increases, and this entire Titan package changes completely. Now, let's talk about the leads. Even small conversions can change everything. You don't need massive numbers, you don't need perfection. You just need the right people, because even when a small percentage buys, this stops looking like a cost and starts looking like leverage. And that's exactly why this works. You're not trying to convince random strangers. You're working with real people already in the market, already looking, already ready. So the real question isn't, will this work? The real question is, what happens when you finally have buyers? Because that's the moment that everything begins to click. Now, you've got two options. You can keep doing what you've been doing, trying to build everything from scratch, chasing traffic, guessing what works, or you can step into a system, the AI List Titan system, where leads are already there for you. The funnel is already built, the path is already clear, and at some point, you stop looking for more information and you put yourself in a position to win. That's what this is. So go ahead, get inside AI List Titan, get your leads, get your system, and get live today, because every day that you wait is more buyers going to somebody else. Click one of the buttons below and get instant access right now, and I'll see you on the inside. AI List Titan is like no package that you've seen before. You get the leads, you get the funnel, you get the swipes, you get everything that you need to have a successful business. All you got to do is put it together and start hitting send. Hope to see you on the other side. Thanks.
The time is now. AI List Titan is here. Join us or perish.